Yo guys, welcome back. It's Wit Vlogs, and today we're going to be doing a cooking spag bol from scratch. Got my chopping board, pan, mushrooms, mince, which I'm going to cut in half because I'm going to save some for a chili. Got some pepper, got some bits, garlic, basil, slash toppings, salt for that, and for a bit of that, cheese for the finished touch, and I also had a bit of brown sauce into mine, just a bit more flavour. Anyway, do the basic stuff first. I'll need to start before I put the mince in, and then we'll start cooking away. So let's get to doing that. The mushrooms are now washed. Now it's just going to quickly dice them, so that's out of the way. Then we're going to do the onion, and then we're going to start cooking the mince off. So let's do that. I jumped the gun on cutting the onions and got it over and done with. So now we're going to cut this off, put the rest in the pan, and then start cooking the mince. So let's do that. Water is now in, beef is cooking, but what I am going to do is, I can't hold it because I have to hold these because I have no handle, so I'll show you clips of it when I can. We should got to start with this getting brown soon, keep on breaking it up, then put these in, put that in, put the garlic granules in as well, then we can go in for them. Alright, let's get to doing that. The mince is coming along nicely, as you can see it's a lot more brown now. All this hopefully already, what I might do is just turn it up, so heats up quicker, so it can keep in touch with that. Get these ready soon, a bit of garlic in there. Gonna put a bit of this in a minute. But anyway, let's just make sure it's brown first before we do anything else. Let's do that. Spaghetti is now in. Pasta, not mince should I say. It looks fully brown, but I'm going to give it another minute, another turn or so, just to fully make sure, because we don't want food colouring. And start pushing that down a minute too, once it gets a bit softer. And once we've done that, cook these off. Obviously there we've got to be brown. Onions is preference. Passata, chopped tomato, puree, a bit of black pepper, and garlic in. And then that's going on top at the end, so let's do that. Some black pepper is now in. I'm going to have garlic granules on the other side. Pasta just needs a couple more seconds to push down, and then soon we'll be adding the vegetables. Garlic is now in, so it's just to finish off the touch and the pasta I'm going to do now. So I'll get off camera and get back to these in a minute. Put the vegetables in. It's time to put the vegetables in. Oh, some bell. What's it got? I'll get them up in a second. Sweet. Get these cooked. Pasta's coming along nicely. I have put garlic bread in. Oh. Carry on. Mince is coming along nicely, pasta's not long done. I'm going to start getting the sauces in now, so let's do that. Pasta sauce is now in. Just going to finish it, going to take them off in a second. Let's just get this mixed in real quick and then we'll do that. Pasta sauce is mixed in, probably a couple more minutes. Ooh, God, I bet the garlic. Oops. Right, I'll sort that out. And the pasta's now done. Just going to shimmer it in a second. Mince is pretty much all done now. Pasta is now getting put onto plates. Final few touches. Have somehow burned the garlic bread again, but I love these ones. Them ones, not bad, but better than the other ones. Anyway, but yeah, this is package away. So final few touches, just tidying up. Alright, let's do that. So it is now time to put the mince on the pasta spag bol. And we're going to top it with that, and we've got a bit of grey cheese, so let's do that. Pasta sauce is on nice, the basil, and now it's time for the cheese. I'll just show you the final product. And that is it guys, it is done. I'll put a quick segment right now telling you how it tasted. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. But other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video, and peace.